Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see Heroku Architect certification, a maintenance summer 24. Right. So where can a user find the API URL for Heroku Connect add-ons created in London, Singapore, Mumbai, and Montreal? Where in the Heroku Connect API Dev Center article. So true or false? Single sign-on is now available for all Heroku teams. Yes. Why does Heroku enforce password history for all the users? Why? To encourage use of a strong and unique passwords, to discourage the use of potential or compromised passwords, to encourage the use of old and reliable passwords. The A and B will go for D. So, what is the subject vector extension I used for? What purpose? We'll go for C. It allows for high dimensional vector similarity searches in the Heroku uh, Postgres. So what are the advantages of the -10 database plan for Heroku Postgres? Larger disk space, larger CPU and memory. So what is the RAM memory available to the customers to select the new Excel dyno type? 62 DB. So what is the maximum number of members a Heroku team can have without incurring of a monthly fee? Go for 25. So what is the new default to Dino type of type for common runtime applications for enterprise customers? We'll go for the basic. Check this unit. Done. So we completed Heroku Architect certification maintenance 24.